G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome to Shit Easy Motorcycle Camp Cooking. We are doing mac and cheese and Spam. So you buy this in the supermarket. There's a few packets in there, so we'll just get rid of that. And basically that's what we've got. Now, this is not about healthy food. It's basically doing stuff that's simple but not a dehydration pack or simply opening up a can. Alright, so what do we bloody need? Righto, so the first thing we need is mac and cheese, a tin of Spam, some water. That's it, that's what's going to make our meal. Get that out of the way. Gonna need some firewood because we're going to be running the gas stove and the wood stove. Now you could do this with just one stove, but we're gonna, just for the hell of it, we'll run the two stoves. Pot and pan. Gonna need our wood stove, gas canister adapter, stove, pair of tongs, a lighter, sharp knife, some oil, most probably a spoon and a fork, something to cut me bloody Spam on. We might even use a trusty old spatula. Oh, and a fire lighter. Rightio, so that should be it for that. So now what I'm going to do is quickly set all this up. Rightio guys, so now I've got all my bits and pieces. What I'll first do is get a fire lighter. Just use one of those bloody redhead ones. Whack that in there. Give that a light up. Whoo! Scared the shit out of me. Bloody thing. Go. There we go. What are you doing, Perks? Put that into the middle. Oh, bloody hell, guys! I didn't think about the ashes going through onto the bottom, so I've got to put a bit of this under it. Hopefully I don't burn myself. There we go, we should be right. Okay, so this packet, all you got to do is put, this is for microwave normally, but we're going to do stovetop. Basically just pour that in there. We need 170 mils. I think this is what, 500, so if I go down to 300, that'll be close enough. Yeah, that looks pretty bloody good. Get me gas going. Rightio, now oil into the pan, going on there. We'll most probably leave that off for the minute. Now the Spam. Crack open the Spam. Hey, check that stuff out. Whoop, we don't need all that. So now what we want to do is thinly slice this as thin as we can. Doesn't matter if it shaves like that because we're going to cut it into little strips. I don't know if you can see the dog, but she's quite liking being here right next to all the food. What do you reckon, Perks? Spam any good? Hey, you want a piece? There you go. See you later. Rightio, that should do us. Shit, better get some more bloody wood on this. It's the only problem with the wood stove you've got to keep on it. The gas one you just So now we're just thinly chopping this up. One cut through there, I reckon. I might even do a few more. Peaky, no. Cool banana, so that's our bacon. Get this going. So throw all the bacon into here. So now they say on the microwave directions, because it doesn't have stovetop directions to bloody cook it for 3 or 4 minutes in the microwave. So we just want to bring it to the boil, get it going until they start to grow a little bit, get soft, and then we can throw in the packet mix. So now it's just a combination of making sure we get that done and then also browning all this up. Hey, that smells all right. Rightio guys, so I'll come back to you once this is just about ready to go. Okay, so this thing's getting a good boil up. I'm just going to turn it down a little bit. Bacon's all nicely cooking up. Ah, look at that. Bloody beautiful. So hopefully you can see that, guys, that's starting to grow now. Hey, check that out, looking pretty bloody good. Rightio, so that's starting to lose a lot of water. So now what we'll do, whack in this packet. Just stir it all in. Some people like mac and cheese is one of those things that you either like it or you don't. I like mac and cheese. See that starting to get real good now. Turn that down a little bit. There you go, guys. This is practically bloody done. We'll turn this off. Oh Jesus Christ! Just burnt me bloody arm. Get that out of the way. And there. Take that off there. Whoa. Nice one. Right down over here. Rid of that. So now what I would normally do, I've actually never done this like this. What I would do is pour all that bacon into there and I'd eat it straight out of the pot. But for the sake of the video, let's get it out of the way. Let's dish this up onto here. Beautiful. Now don't forget to give the dog some. Folks, you little bugger. She just started eating the spam out of the tin. That's naughty. You'll have to have it now. Come around here. Jesus, dog. Pooks. Come around here. Pookie. There you go. There you go. Rightio. Dog's looked after. So now we'll just get this bacon. Chuck that on there. Swish it around for a bit of presentation. There you go, guys. Mac and cheese with bacon. Alright. Now I'll mess it up and I'll just mix it all around. I'll tell you what, it bloody looks good. Alright. No, that's not too bad. That's alright. It's not an overly flavoursome thing. So you could obviously add salt and pepper to it. You could add tomatoes to it, chives. You can add whatever the bloody hell you want. But I tell you what, this certainly beats eating dehydrated food. There you go, guys. That was pretty bloody easy. That was really quick. I don't know how long that took me to do that, but that was pretty simple. Obviously, there's always, when you're doing this type of stuff, there's always a fair amount of cleanup. It'd be obviously the utensils and the pot and the pan. I wouldn't normally use this plate if I was just out in the bush. Obviously, I'm here in the backyard, my backyard. Yeah, that's not too bloody bad at all, actually. I reckon I could have cooked that bacon just a little bit longer. No. It does still have that slight spammy smell, taste to it. And if I wanted to get rid of that, I should have cooked the bacon a little bit longer. But still, that's alright. Right, yeah, guys, that's it. All done and dusted. Cool. Keep on riding, guys, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.